Hello everyone, my name is Ali Ibtisam, just a guy from Pakistan studying data science in Malaysia on a fully funded scholarship. So today we will talk about a scholarship that will cover your entire tuition fee, your health insurance, your visa fee, and even your accommodation, and that will also give you a stipend of around 17 lakh 50,000 Indonesian rupees. So the name of the scholarship is International Priority Scholarship that is offered by University Muhammadiyah Surakarta, Indonesia. Now moving towards the eligibility criteria of this is that it is offered for bachelor's, master's, and even for PhD programs. But for bachelor's, you should not be no more than 25 years old, and for master's, you should be no more than 30 years old, and for PhD, no more than 35 years old. When we talk about the benefits of this scholarship is that firstly, you will get your whole tuition fee waived off. You will get a monthly stipend of around 17 lakh 50,000 Indonesian rupees for your monthly expenses and your accommodation as well. Your visa fee will also be paid by this scholarship, and you will also get a 1 year free language Bahasa program if you want to study in the Indonesian language. Moreover, your health insurance will also be covered and you will get a flight ticket when you go to your home country. And moreover, there is also a 50,000 Indonesian rupee book allowance for your books. Moving towards the documents part, let's talk about which documents are required to apply for this scholarship. So firstly, you need to have your photographs. Secondly, your passport, which should be at least 18 months valid when you are applying for the scholarship. After that comes your educational transcripts and certificates. For example, if you are applying for bachelor program, you need to have your metric transcript and certificate as well, and also your 12th grade transcript and certificate. Don't worry, you can also apply using Hope certificate. And for master program, you need your bachelor's degree as well. And for the PhD, you need your master's degree and also a research proposal. And after that comes the language test exams. For example, you can apply using IELTS, but don't worry, IELTS is not mandatory. You can also apply using English proficiency letter if your previous studies was in English. Then you also need a recommendation letter from your last studied institution. For example, if you are in high school, meaning that in 12th or 11th grade, you can take a letter from your high school, means you're in your college, and you can attach that. And after that, you can also need to write a study purpose essay, which you will demonstrate why you want to study in Indonesia and why you want to study that specific major in which you are applying. And lastly, you can also add any certificate of extracurricular activities or any other certificates which you have done online. So these are the documents which are required to apply for this scholarship. Okay, so now if you want me to make a video on how to apply for this scholarship using the portal, you can comment apply and I will make a special video on that. Also, now hit that like button before you reach Indonesia and subscribe me. See you later in the next video.